नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहिए। माई सेल्फ जेविन केल, मिस्टर केल नागर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटनरी साइंस एंड मैथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वोमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आई वेलकम टू all of you in my digital class. Student, I will prepare this lecture for program BSc Agriculture Honor 6 which my subject post harvest management and value addition of fruit and vegetables. Student, we will discuss about extent and possible causes of post harvest losses. There are discuss nature and causes of post harvest losses. Losses occur after harvesting is known as post-harvest losses. It starts first from the field after harvesting in grading and packaging areas, in storage during transportation, and in the wholesale and retail markets. Several losses occur because of poor facilities, lack of know-how, poor management, marketing, defection, or simply the careless of farmers. And first point, extent of post-harvest losses. It is evidence that the estimation of post-harvest losses is the essential to make available more food from the existing level of production. There are B. Importance sites of post-harvest losses. Important sites post-harvest losses are noticed in India. There are first point, farmers field 15 to 20%, packaging 15 to 20%, transportation 30 to 40%, marketing 30 to 40%. Estimate loss of fruits. First, papaya 40 to 100%, grapes 27%, banana 20 to 28%, citrus 20 to 95%, avocado 43%, apples 14%. Estimate loss of vegetables. First, onion 20 to 40%, garlic 8 to 22%, potato 30 to 40%, or tomato 5 to 35%, cabbage and cauliflowers 7.08 to 25%, chili 4 to 35%, radish 3 to 5%, carrots 5 to 9%. Causes of post harvest losses. जो डी पार्ट्स हैं इसमें डिस्कस बताया है। हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप not only providing nutrition and health food to human beings but also generate a considerable cash income for growers. However, horticulture crops typically have high moisture content and tender texture and high perishability if not handled properly, and high value nutrition product can deterioration and rot in the matter of day and hours. The causes of post-harvest losses can be divided into different categories. First categories there are discussed metabolic. All pressed horticulture crops are live organisms. The natural process of respiration in all the breakdown of food reserve and the aging of these organs. Mechanical, owing to their tender texture and high moisture content, fresh fruit and vegetables are very susceptible to mechanical injury. Poor handling and unsuitable containers, improper packaging and transportation can be easily cause brushing, cutting, breaking, impact, wounding, and other form of injury. Developmental जो थर्ड पॉइंट है इसके अंदर हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि दिस इंक्लूडिंग द स्प्राउटिंग, रूटिंग, सीड जर्मिनेशन विच लीड टू डिट्रैक्शन इन क्वालिटी एंड न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू। फोर्थ पॉइंट में पैरासाइटिक्स डिजीज। हाई पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस आर द कॉजेज बाय द invasion of fungi, bacteria, insects and other organisms. Microorganisms attack fresh product easily and they spread quickly because the product does not have much of a natural defense mechanism and has plenty of nutrients and moisture to support microbial growth. Fifth में physiological degradation. Fruit and vegetable cells are still alive after harvest and continue their physiological activity. Physiological disorders might occur due to minerals deficiency, low high temperature, injury or undesirable atmospheric conditions such as the high humidity. Physiological degradation can also occur spontaneously by enzymatic action leading to over ripening and senescence, a simple aging phenomenon. There are six points are discussed. Lack of market demands. मार्केट डिमांड में जो कमी आती है इसमें पॉइंट में बताया कि डिस्कस करते हैं कि ओवर प्लानिंग पर इनक्यूरेंट प्रोडक्शन एंड मार्केट इंफॉर्मेशन माई लीड टू ओवर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सर्टेन फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स विच कैन बी सोल्ड इन टाइम. दिस सिचुएशन अकर मोस्ट frequently in area where transportation and storage facility are inadequate. Produce my live protein in production area if farmers are unable to transport it to people who need it the distance locations. Seventh, consumption. These losses can be due to the inadequate preservation methods at home, method of cooking and preparation such as the peeling, consumption styles, etc. Others, lack of clear concept of packaging house operations, lack of awareness among the growers, contractors and even to policy markets, lack of realization on its importance, adequate technical supports, lack of infrastructure. मतलब बहुत सारी जो प्रोसेस हैं. इसके बाद में इसके लास्ट में इम्पैक्ट ऑफ पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस. लास्ट पॉइंट है इम्पैक्ट ऑफ पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस. फर्स्ट में न्यूट्रिशन, सेकंड इकोनॉमी, टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट for minimize the losses. These are last discuss technology of for minimize the losses. First में vaccine, a protein storage, pre-packaging, cold storage, modified atmosphere packaging is known as MAP. Control atmosphere storage. There are other names here: cold chain, irradiation, edible coating and others. Thank you.